Right, Makita reciprocating saw. This is the older brushed version. Working fine. Problem, I'm told, is the holder. Jammed. To fix this here. So this can be an awkward enough job, a wee bit fiddly. And there's quite a few small pieces in the tool holder that sort of need to go in order. Get that shoe out of the way first. Pull off a rubber cap. You would see this is more rust than anything, or debris. It's well seized up. Now, around the outside of here, there's a ring spring that needs to come off. Hard to see on camera. Prise that up without bending it. And you can take off this metal sleeve if it'll come out. You can already see it starting to work again. Very stuff. There we go. So yeah, rusted on. Dismantle the whole thing here. Give it a clean out. Replace any parts needed. So a wee steel pin, and that there is another steel pin. All stuck inside. Give this a wee bath in oil just. You can get this bigger one out. You can push the other one out from the other side. That is in there. There we go. And there's a spring on that as well. As you can see, the two of them are fairly well rusted. That's why they're sticking. That's your other steel pin. And this can come off. Plastic sleeve, and you have another plastic sleeve under that with another steel pin holding it all together. That comes out, that comes off, that is sitting inside the tool holder itself, and there's a spring underneath that. Reassembling these, this has to go together in the right order. It has to be attached to the spring, sitting in the right position. And that spring's inside the tool holder, this is on the outside. So give us all a clean down now and clean off the rust. Right, so the rubber and the outer sleeve's fine. All these other wee bits, it's just too badly rusted or too stuff, so stick new parts in this. These parts aren't that expensive, so as well just change them. Plus I have them in stock, so don't have to wait for them to come on. Right, rebolted then. Your spring then pointing to the back, to the bottom of the saw, down on there. Compression spring and there. And this first sleeve, the hole locates onto the spring here. A pin has to go the whole way through that. But just set it there loosely for now. Take your sleeve on top temporarily. This wee push plate. That's just to hold the push plate in place. Push this all down and push in your pin. That'll go through your push plate as well and hold it. That's that wee assembly done. Now the next wee plastic sleeve goes over the top of this one. That's just to hold this pin in place. Two wee notches there, two wee notches there. Just line them up. And you can fit your actual sleeve over the top of that. Steel pin goes in there. You can see your spring. Spring sits in there. And your pin, so it should be springing back out like the other one wasn't. And then this one here, metal sleeve. Two notches that locate into them too. And your ring spring then. Separate one end. Put one on first. And just follow it the whole way around. Try not to bend it. You can bend it a wee bit, but not misshape it. Should be it. That's it. And you can just use your rubber cap then. I'm just going to use the same one. There's nothing wrong with this one. That's it. Ready to go. Stick your shoe back on again. That is how you replace or fix the tool holder in these Makita Recip saws or sawzalls. That's right. Simple as that. I'm not sure if you get an actual kit to do this here, or you have to buy all the individual components, because there's quite a few wee bits on it. If they jam up like that, if I can find a wee rebuild kit, I'll put a link to it in the bottom, in the description below. Right, hope you enjoyed.